Warning, this video may challenge your worldview. Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, to the grand stage where civilizations clash, cultures collide, and history refuses to sit quietly in the archives. Today we're dissecting one of the most stubborn myths in modern discourse, the so-called clash of civilizations. Some believe that the world is made up of distinct, incompatible civilizations doomed to perpetual conflict. But what if I told you that's just an outdated fairy tale? According to Yuval Noah Harari, we're not a collection of warring tribes. We're one big, chaotic, dysfunctional global civilization. Samuel Huntington's infamous theory claims that different cultures, Western, Islamic, Confucian, are fundamentally incompatible. Many political leaders and TV pundits still love this idea because it makes for dramatic speeches and divisive policies, but reality is a bit more interconnected. The so-called West versus Islam narrative ignores the fact that the Islamic State was crushed by an unlikely coalition: Iran, the United States, Russia, and various Arab states. Strange bedfellows indeed. The economy, it's global. Whether you're in Shanghai, New York, or Lagos, you're using the same financial principles. Even terrorists and revolutionaries rely on global tech. Social media, encrypted messaging, digital banking. It's a messy, loud, and often dysfunctional family. But make no mistake, we are one civilization. If we are one global civilization, why does it feel like we're constantly at war, culturally, politically, digitally? Because all civilizations are built on internal conflicts. In 1618, being European meant being ready to kill over Protestant versus Catholic doctrine. In 1940, being European meant choosing between democracy and fascism. In 2024, being European means arguing over the EU, immigration and climate policy. Europe didn't change because of a shared identity, it changed because it had common arguments. The future of globalization is not just a trend, but a trajectory. It is leading us towards a more interconnected and interdependent world. As we navigate this path, we must remember that our collective progress depends on our ability to cooperate and integrate. History has a direction, and it's towards integration. 10,000 years ago, humanity was split into thousands of tiny tribes. With each passing century, those tribes fused into kingdoms, then empires, then nations. Now we are becoming a single global entity. Yes, conflicts exist, but history tells us that conflict doesn't mean separation, it means transformation. So next time someone tells you about a clash of civilizations, just smile and remind them, we're already part of the same civilization, it's just a very, very rowdy one. In conclusion, the idea of a clash of civilizations is not just outdated, but fundamentally flawed. Our history, our present, and our future all point towards integration and unity. The real challenge is not in avoiding conflict, but in transforming it into cooperation. And remember, I am your guide, Antonio Claim. May the pseudo-powers be always with you.